What if our universe is just one bubble in a cosmic sea, and every decision you ever made created another you? Let's start with the most visual idea of them all: the universe as a bubble among countless others. Imagine space not as empty, but as a huge expanding ocean of energy. According to the theory of eternal inflation, new universes form like bubbles boiling in a cosmic pot. Our universe is just one bubble, floating beside countless others that we can never reach. Each bubble might have different physical laws: stronger gravity, no atoms, or stars far larger than ours. These universes never touch because space between them stretches faster than light. We can't travel there, but physics says they could exist. This idea comes directly from modern cosmology, not fantasy. If inflation never fully stopped, then universe making is still happening somewhere. And in that endless process, our universe is simply one lucky bubble that formed the conditions for life. Now let's step into the strangest idea. Every decision creates a new universe. The many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics suggests that every time something can happen in more than one way, reality splits. Not metaphorically, literally splits. If you turn left, another version of you turns right in another universe. If an electron could be here or there, both happen, each in its own branch. This means infinite you, infinite histories, infinite timelines unfolding in parallel. No travel between them, no communication. They simply exist as mathematical consequences of quantum physics. Many scientists accept this because it removes randomness from the universe. Nothing is uncertain. Everything happens somewhere. It's unsettling, but also beautiful. Reality becomes an endless tree of possibilities, branching every time nature flips a quantum coin. What if other universes aren't far away, but just a millimeter beside us? String theory imagines that our entire universe exists on a three-dimensional membrane, or brain, floating in a higher dimensional space. Other brains could sit extremely close to us, separated by distances too small for light to cross. Their gravity might pass through dimensions we cannot see. Some scientists even propose that a collision between brains could have triggered the Big Bang. In this picture, universes could be layered like invisible pages in a cosmic book. They may have different particle types or forces because each brain has its own physical rules. We don't see these worlds because our light is trapped on our brain, but gravitational experiments hint that extra dimensions may exist, meaning neighboring universes might be closer than we imagine. If multiverses exist, the first clues may be written in the universe's oldest light. The early universe expanded at an unbelievable speed, a trillion times faster than today. This event, called cosmic inflation, explains why space looks smooth and uniform. But inflation also predicts that different regions of space-time expanded at different rates, creating isolated pockets, potential universes. Scientists look for signs of this in the cosmic microwave background, CMB, the oldest light in the universe. Temperature irregularities or strange patterns could hint that our universe once brushed against another. So far, nothing is confirmed, but some anomalies make researchers wonder. The CMB may eventually reveal whether our universe is just one part of a much larger structure, far beyond what telescopes can see. Finally, let's ask the most human question. Why does the multiverse matter to us? If other universes exist, it changes everything about how we see life, meaning, and reality. The multiverse could explain why our universe seems perfectly tuned for stars, planets, and life. Maybe we live in one bubble where the physical laws happen to allow complexity, while countless others remain empty. It also means we might not be as unique as we think. Versions of us could exist somewhere else, living different lives shaped by different choices. Some scientists dislike the multiverse because it's difficult to test. Others believe it's the natural result of modern physics. In the end, the multiverse is a mirror that forces us to question our place in existence. Whether real or not, it expands our imagination and reminds us that reality might be far bigger than we can ever understand. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more mind-bending journeys across space, time, and the hidden structure of reality.